Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a really quick way to use up some leftovers to make a quick kimchi. I'm using Asturian tree cabbage because I grow a lot of this on the allotment. So this will be quite a green kimchi, but use whatever you have to hand. Chop it up. Remember, it will shrink down further once we've soaked it. Use some decent salt. And mix that with some water to form a brine. Now, get the cabbage in the brine. Get your hands in there, really soak that cabbage through. Now you need to weigh it down, cover it, leave it overnight. Next day, now we need to add the flavour in. This is a quick kimchi, so I'm just going for some store cupboard staples. A couple of cloves of garlic. A mortar and pestle is really useful here. Go for a mix of chilies, both some in oil also some dried chilies for an extra kick. Add some sweet paprika. Some ginger. Then I'm going to mash all that up to form a paste. If you have fresh ingredients, by all means, throw those in. But again, this is just a quick use up kimchi. Now, drain the cabbage, but keep back the liquid. You'll need that shortly. Get your paste in. Get it amongst the leaves. Use your hands. We're going to pack this into a kilner jar. Push it right down, removing air pockets. You'll top it off with the brine and seal it. It's up to you how long you leave it for. 1 week, 2 weeks, several months. All depends on what taste you're after. I left mine a month before putting it in jars, and it gives it a nice, spicy, sour kick to my meals. Like and enjoy.